If you want to view game servers in Steam, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you're trying to find active servers for your favorite game, join a community match, or just check what's available, Steam makes it easy once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once Steam is fully loaded, look at the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, and the one you want is View. Click on View to open the drop-down menu. From the View menu, look for Game Servers and select it. This will open the Steam Game Server browser, which is the built-in tool Steam uses to help you search for available servers. Now you'll notice a search area that says Select a Game. This is where you choose the specific game you want to browse servers for. Click the drop-down menu, then scroll through the list and pick the game you want to search. After selecting the game, click the search icon to load the results. Steam will now display all available game servers related to that game. You can review the list, check the server names, player counts, and other details to find one that fits what you're looking for. If you don't see what you want right away, you can try selecting a different game or refreshing the search. This feature is especially useful if you play multiplayer games and want a quick way to browse active public servers without needing to search through websites or external tools. And that's it. You've now learned how to view game servers in Steam. It's a simple process once you know where the option is, and it can save you time whenever you want to jump into a game with active servers. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.